Down at the Utah Cracker Factory, Pop said he's shutting down the company. I thought he would pass it down to me, but things got slow in the economy. I was sad that it could go this way. We just had too many bills to pay. I got down upon my knees to pray, hoping for a miracle to save the day. Well, the cucumber truck driver couldn't stay awake. He crashed his truck into the Great Salt Lake. Oh, the chief of police said, for goodness sake, everyone grab all the pickles you can take. Cause you see, when you get cucumbers into a saltwater brine, basically what you get is pickles. Everybody crowded to the lake for lunch. They wanted crackers to complete the crunch. We got some juice and pop and made some punch, and folks were buying boxes by the bunch. When the truck had slid down the slant, it knocked out a transformer to the dairy plant. Now the chiller won't chill, cause there's no juice, it can't. Everyone can take all of the cheese you want. Alright, insurance write-off. Cucumber truck driver couldn't stay awake. He crashed his truck into the Great Salt Lake. Oh, the chief of police said, for goodness sake, everyone grab all the pickles you can take. And you know what would go good with some pickles and some cheese is if you had some crackers. Yeah. The truck driver's wife was on the water line, looking out across the lake and crying. The chief said, don't worry, ma'am, he's doing fine. He's floating on an inner tube on the brine. And she said, oh, that's a relief. As the afternoon came about, we hooked up the cabbage truck to pull it out. We should have checked the traction, should have planned the route. The truck slipped, now we all got sauerkraut. Yeah, cucumber truck driver couldn't stay awake. He crashed his truck into the Great Salt Lake. Oh, the chief of police said, for goodness sake, everyone grab all the pickles you can take, and have some sauerkraut, because we got a whole bunch of sauerkraut, and some cheese. We got lots of cheese from the dairy plant. We've also got like some punch that we made, so that's good. You can have a pretty good lunch. And you know what? Buy some crackers. When the recovery was complete, I added up the cash and all the till receipts. I looked at the total and I said, oh sweet, we can upgrade our factory and we can compete. Good times at the Utah Cracker Factory. Pop said he's handing down the company. We're keeping the business in the family, and things are looking up in the economy. Cause the cucumber truck driver couldn't stay awake. He crashed his truck into the Great Salt Lake. Oh, the chief of police said, for goodness sake, everyone grab all the pickles you can take, and buy some crackers.